Hey everyone, today I want to share my thoughts on the 45-in-1 mini screwdriver set, which I've been using for the past few years. This compact and versatile tool has truly impressed me, and I think it's worth a detailed review. First off, let's talk about the features. This set includes 45 different screwdriver bits covering from a wide range of sizes and types, from fillet heads to flatheads, Torx to hex, and more. The variety ensures that you're prepared for nearly any small repair or electronics job. It also comes with a precision handle that's comfortable and easy to grip, making it perfect for detail work. The set is housed in a sleek black compact case that keeps everything organized and easy to transport. But one thing I've noticed, I've actually lost the little bits that go in here, and you put these little screwdriver heads in. So these do come out pretty easily. As you can see, I've lost them over the years, so I'm not sure where they've gone. So just be careful when you do get it that you don't lose them like me. So I've been using this set from everything from fixing computers to assembling furniture to working on gadgets. The variety of bits means I rarely need to reach for any other tool, and the precision handle gives me excellent control for intricate tasks. It's also incredibly durable despite frequent use. The bits and handle still look as good as new, as you can see after a few years of use. One downside though, the bits are very small, or not that small, but yeah, quite small, and they can be easily lost, so be sure to keep them always inside the box it comes with. I personally lost a few bits due to my incompetence. The bits fit snugly and securely inside, which means no stripping or slipping during use. The case is well designed, with each bit slot clearly labelled, so you can quickly find the right tool. The compact size of the set makes it easy to store in a drawer or carry in a toolbox. The compact size of this set makes it easy to store in a drawer or carry in a toolbox. I found that having such a wide range of bits on hand has made small repairs and DIY projects much easier and more efficient. I highly recommend the 45-in-1 mini screwdriver set for anyone who frequently handles small repairs or projects. It offers great value for money with its extensive range of bits, durable build, and practical design. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just need a reliable set for occasional use, this tool is a solid investment.